Gee, Fáistí, how are you all? Aaron March Shaw. In you, we'll be doing Lana Cade Octo 3. So 183 variables again, and this is kind of a revision of what we've done over the past few days. Okay, and variables, like I was saying yesterday, is what called algebra in secondary school. So you'll be doing a lot of this stuff next year. Okay, don't worry, you'll revise it all again in September and October, so it'll be really easy when you get there. But just to give you a taste and a flavour of it. So for part B1, so today we have to do part B1 and 2, and I'll just do a few examples first. For B1, you need to substitute in for different values of A, B, and C. So anytime you see an A, you fill in a 2. Anytime you see a B, you fill in a 3. Anytime you see a C, you fill in a 6. Okay, and if we're to look at the first one here, so it's A plus B plus C. So a nice simple start. So it's basically 2 plus 3 plus 6 equals 11. You're well able to do that. Okay, now if we look at one of the ones further down, we've A, B over C, and that means when you see two letters together, that means A times B. It means multiply. So we have 2 times, what's B? B is 3, divided by C, which is 6. So that's 2 by 3, that's 6 divided by 6, which we know is 1. Okay, so should be well able to give those a go. Just have a go anyway, see how you get on it. Any problems, you can contact me. Now, and if we look at part 2, or question 2, solve these equations. This was just like what we did yesterday in our Planet Maths lesson. Okay, so we'll come back here again today. If I look at 3a, so 3a is 3x plus 7 equals to 31. Remember what I said when you have an equation. Equation means equal. Okay, so you want to balance them up. So you want to have a number and an x or a y on its own this side equal to something on this side. So we need to get rid of this guy. So plus 7. So to get rid of plus 7, minus 7 from here. But whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. So minus 7 there as well. Okay, so then we rewrite it. That's going to be 3x, and those two cancel each other out, is equal to 31 minus 7, which is 24. So now 3 times something is equal to 24. So therefore x must be equal to 8, because 3/8 is equal to 24. Okay, and if we look at another one further down, part E, again we have an equation which we want to balance up on both sides. So to balance it up, we need to get rid of this minus 6 guy. How do you get rid of minus 6? You just add a 6. If you do that on that side, you must do it on the other side as well. So we need to add plus 6 to both sides. So that's going to be 2x, those guys are gone, they cancel each other out, is equal to 22. So x is equal to 11, because 2 times something is equal to 22, so we know that that must be x is equal to 11. Okay, give it a go, give it a crack, see how you get on. Get in contact with me if you have any problems. Best of luck. Banagi Tatnavas. Slán, slán, slán.